guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your tutor, my name is Roland. In this we'll be doing some grade 12 trigonometry revision. This is the first video of about 5 to 10 videos. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So we'll start off by drawing the 90-degree triangle. We'll label it A, B and C. The opposite side to the letter A is the lowercase a. You've got the lowercase b and the lowercase c. The box in the right hand corner is your 90-degree angle. So what can we remember here? We've got SOHCAHTOA, so sine, cos and tan. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So if you look at that angle A, the opposite side would be the small k, lowercase a, and the hypotenuse would be c. So I'm writing up top there opposite, and it's over the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest line, and it's always opposite the 90-degree angle. So we've got lowercase a over lowercase c. There we go. Now let's do cos. Cos we know is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse because it's k. First let's do sine of the angle B. So the angle B on the left hand side is also opposite over hypotenuse, but in this case the opposite side is the lowercase b, and once again the hypotenuse is c, it does not change. There we go. So just making sure you understand, if you change the angle, then the side will change depending on the angle. So your opposite's not always going to be the same side. So like you can see, I've got a blue A and I've got a green B. The opposite side for the green B angle would be the lowercase b, but the hypotenuse stays the same for all angles, and that would be C. Alright, so just make sure you understand that. The angle determines the opposite side. So let's do cos now. We'll do cos of the angle A, the blue one. We say cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side for A would be B, lowercase b, not A anymore. That's the difference between sine and cos. So it would be B over cos C. So your hypotenuse stays the C. That doesn't change no matter what you do, sine, cos or tan. So there we go. You've got cos of angle A is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which is lowercase b over lowercase c. Now let's do the cos of angle B, the green one in the bottom left. Once again, we say it's SOHCAHTOA, so KA-TOA is CAH, or adjacent over hypotenuse. When you have A over C, lowercase for both of them, notice that the hypotenuse has not changed. And as you can see, the only thing that has changed is the adjacent side. Because we used the blue angle A, we had to use the adjacent of lowercase b, and when we used the cos of angle B, we used the adjacent of A. Now let's do tan of the angle A, the blue one at the top. Tan is TOA, so it's opposite over adjacent. In this case, you've got opposite being the A side, and then your adjacent being your B side. Notice that there's no hypotenuse when you do tan. So now let's do tan of the angle B. You've got over here, you've got the opposite side over the adjacent again. However, the opposite side changes, and it changes to lowercase b, and the adjacent side also changes to the lowercase a. Easy game.